Hello friends, I am Amit Kumar. Welcome to the High Tech Galaxy channel. Today I have started and launched High Tech Galaxy channel. Many children, students and friends are sending me messages, emails, and so I am not able to give them time. I have to say that they actually wanted to ask me some things. They wanted to discuss some things. They wanted to read some things. So I got quite upset and was not able to give time to them. So I thought, why don't I give them time in my own way? So I thought that this channel should be used and their problems should be solved. Thank you. So friends, from today I will teach you press. The kids who are interested can join, and I already have the contact of those who want to study. If yes, then I will share more daddy notifications with them, okay? While learn WordPress. Ease of use. WordPress offers an intuitive interface that makes creating websites simple even for non-technical users. Versatility. Build anything from blogs and business websites to e-commerce stores and portfolios. Extensive ecosystem. Access thousands of themes and plugins to customize your site effortlessly. SEO friendly. WordPress is designed to help your site rank higher on search engines. Thriving community. Benefit from an active community for support and resources. What you'll learn in this course. Introduction to WordPress. Learn the basics of WordPress, including installation and setup. Themes and customization. Explore how to choose, install, and customize themes to create a unique design. Plugins. Discover essential plugins that add functionality from contact forms to SEO tools. Content management. Understand how to create and organize pages, posts, and categories. E-commerce with WooCommerce. Learn to set up and manage an online store. Advanced features. Explore widgets, custom menus, and integrating APIs. Site optimization. Improve your website's speed, security, and SEO. Who is this course for? Beginners? No coding or technical experience is required. Small business owners. Create a website for your business without hiring a developer. Bloggers. Share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Aspiring developers. Learn to customize and develop WordPress themes and plugins.